Hello! We're going to make red braised pork belly, which is one of the most popular dishes in Chinese cuisine. These are large chunks of soft and rich pork that shine in front of your eyes and melt into your mouth. Red braised pork belly has been a popular dish in China for a very long time. However, it's Chairman Mao Zedong, the founder of the People's Republic, that really elevated its popularity into new height. It is widely known that red braised pork belly was the chairman's favorite dish. Today, if you go visit his birthplace in Shaoshan County in the Hunan province, you can see many restaurants that claim to cook Mao family style red braised pork belly. But to be honest, I'm not sure if many of them are actually related to the chairman at all. Alright, our red braised pork belly is ready. Just look at this vibrant color, that's absolutely amazing. This, my friends, is some really delicious 红烧肉.